Now, in today's video, we're taking a look at a cabinet that's going to complete your home theater experience. This is from CINÈST, and it's one of the best constructed cabinets that we've seen for ultra short throw projectors ever on our channel. It's solid, requires no assembly. Literally, you can get this going in 10 seconds. All it has to be is delivered, powered on, and you're set to go. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, this cabinet that you're going to see in a couple seconds is one of the best cabinets that we've seen in our channel ever. It's super solid. So solid that when you see it, this thing is 300 pounds solid. It does require a couple people to move it around, but it's high quality. It literally has acoustic fabric so that if you want to have in the actual side drawers or side little cabinets, if you'd like to have speakers in there, that's going to be fine. It also has a cooling system on each one of its sides that automatically engages. So if you basically see 35°C or 95 Fahrenheit temperature, it turns on. And then it basically shuts off once it hits 30°C or 85 Fahrenheit, 85 to 86 Fahrenheit. And this is something that I have not seen something in a cabinet that is like this out of the box. Yeah, I've I've hacked cabinets in the past, but never have I had one that was ready. The other thing that I'm really used to doing is when I get my cabinets, I am the Velcro king. I'm talking about taking a piece of Velcro, putting it on a power strip, and then Velcroing it either inside or outside the cabinet. You know that I'm talking about you too. A lot of you do this. This one comes with an integrated power strip. Cable management, forget about it. No cables hanging, nothing that is not drawn, let's say on the outside and hanging out. Everything is tucked away. So let's check out this cabinet. And here's the thing is I have it with the Hisense PX4 Pro that you can see that review. I was actually holding off on the review because I want you to see it first in the cabinet, and then we'll see the projector. But it's a fantastic projector. And by the way, this will work with virtually every projector ultra short throw that's on the market. So let's check it out. Now the CINÈST electric cabinet for UST projectors is one of the best cabinets that we've reviewed on the channel. The craftsmanship, the mechanics, the overall experience is super smooth and high quality. We're going to go ahead and power up the cabinet, which by the way can be powered in one of two ways. It could automatically be enabled when you power up the projector, or you have a manual remote that you can use to actuate it. So you see right here, this is the manual remote. And actually what you do is you use this initial remote to set up the height and the actual drawer, I would say, extension when you do this at first. Now, this cabinet, super duper high quality. It weighs a lot. It's like 300 pounds because of the overall sturdybility, or how sturdier. Now it weighs a lot, like 300 pounds, because it's such a sturdy piece of furniture. It does have all your electronics built inside. So it has a built-in power strip. It also has two cooling systems, one on each side of the cabinets. And basically they're gonna auto on and auto off based on the temperature of your electronics. Because obviously you're gonna be able to keep inside of it your Xbox, if you have some type of control system that you have, any kind of amplifier that you're using. It's basically gonna turn on at 95 Fahrenheit, and then it's going to drop, it's going to turn off at 86 Fahrenheit. And it will do that automatically. But again, you have two cooling systems on each side, and I'll show you that in a couple seconds. But the cool thing about this cabinet is not just the aesthetics and then the fact that it has all this electronic and wizardry inside of it, but it's also the fact that it will adjust the height, so the actual projector itself can raise or lower. It will also bring the drawer out or go to draw the drawer in based on what your needs are. Now, this is taking care of really nicely of our screen, but again, if I had a smaller screen or had a larger screen and I needed to accommodate that, what you would do is you would pull your projector back out, or you would push your projector back in, you would lower it or rise it to adjust it to your screen. This really makes setting up a projector super easy and a piece of cake. Now, just to give you a sense of how smooth the electronics are and how everything opens, I have the PX4 Pro enabled. I have that on. I can connect it and have it powered by or open simply by powering up the projector, but I just wanted to show you the manual side of this. By pressing the power button on the remote, you notice how these two areas, drawer of the top, kind of fall in and pull away, and then the drawer comes out. Now, this is all set on the remote with my initial setup when I was calibrating it for this screen. It came out just slightly because that's all it needs, but you'll notice how the bottom is now raising up to meet the needs I have. I like how this is packaged. I see a lot of projector, I would say cabinets that I've reviewed where the actual bottom itself doesn't have that rising platform. It basically comes in and out. But this is, again,
goes up, down, and also pulls out or goes in depending on what your needs are. And you can do that simply with this remote. So you'll notice that the remote here has where you can do forward or back. You can do, your base is going to go up or down. And then you can see also where you can enable your fan if you want to do that manually. The cool thing about this is, again, is that it has all the electronics you need in order to get it going. No additional power strip. All you need is one power cord to it. And you can see how close I am to the wall. I'm probably I'll put my hand here so you can see. This is how far away I am from the wall. And it's just doing a really nice job with this cabinet with the PX4 Pro. Now, the sides, you have some really decent storage. So let's take a look and see what's inside of the storage side. So if you're going to have an Xbox or if you're going to have some other electronics on the side, you can rest assured that it's going to stay cool and not overheat. Now, looking at the cabinet side here, this is a cloth material. So if you want to put speakers in here, you could do that. So you have that without a problem. You notice that the hinges right here are really nice. And it has that soft close. Let me show you this again. I'm going to pull back and I'm going to throw it. Look at that. Oh, I love that. I wish my kitchen cabinets were like that. I'm going to do it one more time because I like it so much. Check that out. Boom. Right? It has that slow close. If we get closer in here, you can see what's going on. You can see you have your fan right there. And this is also adjustable. So you can raise this or lower this. It has some pegs on the side that you can adjust in the back. Or the other side is exactly like this. So here you can notice that you have a little power indicator, and you also have a reset button here that you can press in the event that you have to reset it. Now in the back, you'll notice this is where you have your power strip, and you do have ample plugs here. So you have several plugs. I'll unplug this for a second. You can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugs. You also have the USB power that's available there, which is really nice. And you do have a little power switch that you can press. On each side, left and right, you do have your cooling fan. You can see how that is mounted in the back. And then basically what you have right here is cable management. That area right there is going to keep all your cables nice and neat. So you're not going to have cables hanging out everywhere. They're just going to basically going to be routed through here, and they're going to come over here to the side. Also inside, when you look at what's going on here, also inside, when you're running the actual power cord from your projector out to get to that power strip, there's a drop hole that comes straight out. So if you're looking to set up a home theater in your home, this is a great accessory to have. It just looks so sharp. It really hides all the electronics, and it really transforms the way you view things. And you know what? Once you go with an ultra show projector, I just got to say, there's no heading back.
So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.